In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify, focusing on a specific task involving product link management. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to go to the section labeled My Store, which is where you'll find all your store management options. If you're already logged into your Shopify account, navigating to this page should be relatively straightforward. You will see a comprehensive dashboard that provides you with various insights and options to manage your store effectively. Next, let's move on to accessing one of your products. For today's demonstration, we'll be focusing on managing links for Example Shirt 2. To do this, navigate to the Products section of your store. You can easily find your product list by clicking on the Products tab. Once you are here, scroll through your inventory until you identify Example Shirt 2. Click on it to open its detailed product page. Now that you are on the product details page, you should be able to see all the specifics about Example Shirt 2. From here, look for a button that says Preview. This button lets you see how your product will look to potential customers visiting your online store. Click on Preview to open a live view of the product. When the preview page opens, pay attention to the URL at the top of your web browser. You'll need to copy this link. The URL is what customers will use to visit the specific page of Example Shirt 2 on your store. Once you have copied the product URL, the next step is to decide where you want to highlight and showcase this link within your store or marketing materials. Go back to the Shopify admin page and locate the tool or option that allows you to add or edit highlighted links. This could vary depending on the theme or design you are currently using for your site. Find the area where you can paste in the copied URL. Pasting the URL in the highlight section is crucial because it directs traffic to your product right away. By pasting the link here, you are effectively enabling customers to click through directly to the item they are interested in, streamlining their shopping experience. And there you have it, a straightforward process to manage product links within your Shopify store efficiently. Whether you're promoting a new product or looking to increase visibility for an existing one, managing these links ensures customers always have clear access to your offerings. This approach not only enhances your customers' shopping experience, but can also significantly impact your sales positively. Remember to always test your links to make sure they are working correctly and to update them as needed when your product listings change.